Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are up the Mulgrave today and we are in the search of jungle perch. And it's going to be a bit different today because we are going to be camping in our hammocks overnight somewhere deep in the bush. Yeah, big one. Just have a hit. Yeah. On him. Yep. Oh. Damn it. How many times? Oh god. Oh, yep. Little JP, nice. Sweet little JP on the weedless. There he goes. He's still going for it. Oh, oh. Oh.
It's not very often today.
Chunky with a jungle perch. Another, this is the spot. Oh, that's a big fish.
He's a big one.
Oh, oh.
Deep one.
Yep.
Oh, he's on deep one. You got him?
Oh no. Oh, again. Oh, look at him. He's right there. Oh, 3 times. Jeez. It's a big dog. Oh, hits. Harry with his 500 sooty of the day. Bigs. Jungle. Just got a jungle perch, fell out of the tree and smoked it. And then Dad cleaned up with the 30 plus jungie. Epic. Do you want to get released, Dad?
Yeah, sure. I want to catch a fish and hold him up next to it. Let's go and have a cast and see whether we can get a fish to hold next to him.
Get.
Quick. Get a cast in behind him. Oh, we'll catch a tree. Go. Yep. Double.
Triple.
He's just got himself a snake and a jungle perch. He's got another good one. Look, just run him straight up on the sand. Yeah. Good one, boys.
You get a jungle? It has? Oh,
Yep.
good man.
Here, come over,
Oh,
we'll
let's
get a
get a
double
photo.
photo.
Yeah.
Nice fish coming. Actually, we'll go around and I'll go this side. You go that side.
And look at that beautiful pond.
Oh, grab him.
You pick up the snake and
Yeah,
we'll
we'll get
hold.
the snake. And
Okay. Yeah.
Oop. I got one too. Good work, boys. Yeah.
Water?
Don't get bitten, Harry. Don't get bitten on the leg. Harry.
Right there. Oh, he's a big.
He's big.
And the snake there. Double trouble. Oh. Snake and JP. How sick. And chunks JP.
He's a nice one too. Look at him.
Epic.
Yes.
That's a bit aggressive.
That was aggressive.
Hardbody in behind him or something.
Wait, Harry's getting.
Yes, Jackie.
Oh, yep, hits. Dad's got one. Yep. Double hookup. Big JP. Another big JP.
Yes.
Sweet. Changing over to a little walk the dog style lure. And I've just got clips on, so when I want to change the lure, it'll just change her really easily. So that'll just go through, don't have to tie another knot. Clips back, clips back, boom, ready to go. See snake. Off to set up camp and the hammocks, light a fire, have some food. it'll go. Oh, yes! It's our campsite for the night. Bloody beautiful. We got our own waterfalls. Everything. So good. We're gonna swing up in one of these trees over here. So this is our setup for tonight. We are, well, this is our little clothesline. This is our Alton hammock with the sleeping bag. Here's Harry. And here's my big rig. It's looking good. Yes. He's paracorded down. And got the bug screen. Protecting me from bugs. It's looking pretty good. We'll catch these in the morning. We've woken up. The campsite's looking good. We've got our own private waterfall. And we're gonna go for a fish. Harry caught 1:30 this morning when I was sleeping. Yeah, we'll see if we can catch anything else. God, there's so many vines and stuff in here that I keep getting snagged on my rod. We'll make it. Just made it out of the thickest forest you can imagine. And now, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, the water's freezing, and we're doing a creek crossing. Heading down river. Got all these fish following me in. Just below me. They won't hit it because they know we're here. But the hordes of fish. Holy, there must be 200 sooty going through and then some big jungle perches.